Every sow farm performance depends on a critical factor: disease stability. It is the balance between herd immunity and infection risk. But that balance can shift in a single moment when new gilts are introduced. Gilts often arrive with varying immune and pathogen shedding statuses, and if not properly managed, they can introduce pathogens into the herd. This increases infection risks, spreads disease within the sow herd, and can lead to disease outbreaks, also affecting the piglet quality. Herd stability is always a balance. On one side, reducing infection risk by introducing gilts that are immune and do not shed pathogens. On the other, strengthening herd immunity. When this balance is disrupted, performance declines. That is why gilt introduction must follow a structured process. First, quarantine, to limit pathogen excretion and build immunity through vaccination. Second, adaptation and cool down, to expose gilts in a controlled way to key pathogens they can encounter, for example through oral fluids, animal contact, or environmental exposure. This phase strengthens and uniforms immunity before introduction into the sow herd. When done correctly, gilts integrate safely, supporting stable, healthy production. But one question remains: how do you know if it actually worked? Are gilts still shedding pathogens? Did the vaccinations deliver the expected response? Is immunity uniform and high enough across the group? This is where BioCheck brings clarity. With a combination of multiplex qPCR and ELISA diagnostics, you can monitor every critical step of the process. qPCR detects pathogens associated with important infections such as PRRS, influenza, PCV2, MHIO, and APP, and shows if animals are still shedding. ELISA measures antibody levels, confirming vaccination success and immune response via a split of vaccination titers and titer boostering due to adaptation. And BioCheck software connects it all, turning data into clear, actionable insights. Instead of assumptions, you gain certainty. You know if quarantine and adaptation were effective. You know if your gilts and your herd are protected. And you reduce the risk of costly disease outbreaks. To ensure a controlled introduction, monitor the gilt adaptation process at 3 critical sampling moments: on arrival, after the cool-down period, and just before herd entry. Gilt introduction will always carry risk, but with the right process and the right monitoring, it becomes controlled, so that herd stability is not just measured, it is managed.